So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and try to scroll to search for phone settings. Then you tap on it when you find it. So after tapping on it, you're going to open it, and when it opens, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. And then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on SEO apps. So tap on the SEO apps. Then now what you have to do is to wait for the apps to load. And after loading, you're going to see all your apps, listed in alphabetical form. So let's wait as it's loading. Now scroll and try to search for your Gmail app. So let's try to search for it. So Gmail is going to be around this place. So when you find it, just tap on it. And after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you make sure the background data is still good on. Then you go back, tap on full stop, then you tap on OK, tap on permissions, then you make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on, you know, notifications, then make sure the show notification is still good on. After that, you have to go back and tap on your storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. After doing this, you have to go to your Google Play Store and search for Gmail. So when you search for Gmail, you're going to see this results, then you tap on it to open it. Then after that, when it opens like this, you have to tap on update over here. So after tapping on updates, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while to get it restart. So tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot on other device. So after that, tap on OK or wipe it down to get your phone reboot or to restart your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.